So hi guys, this will be my second doll unboxing for this year. So let's start. This one is from Amar and Kyrie Mart. I got it as pre-order. Medyo matagal siya dumating kasi C-cargo siya. I think mga November ko siya na pre-order, mga ganun. So tatanggalin ko lang muna guys yung bubble wrap. Wait lang. So we have Bratz Mean Girls Spring Fling Janice yung nasa box, pero hindi ko sure kung si Janice ba talaga ang laman nito. Dahil sabi ni ma'am, hindi daw nila sure kung nailagay daw ba nila sa tamang, ano yung parang sa box na naka-name na ganito. Yung mga dolls. Kasi dino-double check nila yan before shipping. Chine-check nila yung quality. Or if ever, kung may kung masira yung dolls, may babalik nila. So, hindi to available guys. Here's sa Philippines. So, let's check. This is really Janice. Pero feeling ko hindi. Tama. Nalagay naman nila sa box. Tamang box. So, this is Janice Ian. Here she is guys. So, here's Janice guys. So, may pa-poster pala sila kasama yung doll. And tanggalin muna natin. So, here's yung side ng box niya guys. Janice. And here's the artwork. Ang ganda talaga ng artwork. And we're gonna open it na guys. Tanan! Tanan! So, here's the other artwork with Damien. Guys, wait lang. Bakit ganun talaga, no? Pag nakikita ko siya sa video, parang may something sa face ni Janice. Pero, this one, sa personal, ang pretty naman niya. So, we have the second outfit. Yung outfit niya nung prom. And the mini accessories. There. So, ayan siya guys. Pretty naman niya. So, that's it for today's video guys. We have Janice Ian. And, in-order ko din pala si KD and si Regina. So, this is the wave 2 ng Mean Girls Bratz collab. So, makita nyo ulit yun here sa channel ko, yung pag-unbox ko ng dalawang dolls na yun. So, guys, here's Janice. Thank you again for watching. Until next video. Bye-bye, guys.